You're listening to Fluent Talk Academy.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Talk Academy, where we help you speak English naturally and confidently.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex, and we're truly excited to have you with us today.
Alex, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous at an airport?
Absolutely. The first time I traveled internationally, I felt completely lost. There were signs everywhere, long lines, and announcements I could barely understand.
You're definitely not alone. Many English learners feel exactly the same way.
The good news is that airports are actually very organized. Once you understand the process, everything becomes much easier.
Exactly. Today, we're going to walk through the entire airport journey together, from entering the airport to collecting your luggage at your destination.
By the end of this episode, you'll know the most common airport vocabulary and useful English expressions.
So grab your passport and let's begin our journey.
Imagine you've just arrived at the airport. What's the first thing you do?
First, look at the departure board.
That's the big electronic screen showing flight information.
Exactly. It shows your flight number, destination, departure time, and check-in counter.
Remember, departures are flights leaving the airport.
And arrivals are flights coming into the airport.
Once you find your flight, it's time to check in.
At the check-in counter, the airline staff will usually ask for your passport and ticket.
They might say, "May I see your passport, please?"
Or, do you have any bags to check in?
A checked bag is the large suitcase that travels under the airplane.
And a carry-on bag is the smaller bag you take onto the plane with you.
After checking your luggage, you'll receive your boarding pass.
Keep it safe. You'll need it several times during your trip.
Next comes security.
The part that makes many travelers nervous.
But it's actually very simple if you're prepared.
You'll place your belongings in a tray.
Things like your phone, wallet, keys, watch, and laptop.
In many airports, you'll also remove your jacket, belt, or shoes.
Here's an important tip.
Wear comfortable shoes that are easy to take off.
And remember, large bottles of liquid are usually not allowed through security.
Once you've passed security, you're almost ready to fly.
Now, it's time to find your gate.
The gate number is printed on your boarding pass.
Airports can be huge, so follow the signs carefully.
If you're confused, don't be afraid to ask for help.
You can simply say, "Excuse me, where is gate A12?
Most airport staff are happy to help.
After finding your gate, you'll usually have some free time.
This is my favorite part.
Let me guess, coffee?
Exactly. Coffee and people watching.
Airports are great places to watch people from all over the world.
While waiting, listen carefully for announcements.
You might hear, "Flight 325 is now boarding."
Or sometimes, "This flight has been delayed."
Delayed means the flight will leave later than planned.
Hopefully, your flight is on time.
Finally, it's time to board the aircraft.
At the gate, you'll show your boarding pass one more time.
Then you'll walk through the jet bridge and enter the airplane.
The flight attendants will usually welcome you with a smile.
Then comes an important question.
Window seat or aisle seat?
For listeners who don't know, a window seat is the seat next to the airplane window.
Many people love the window seat because they can enjoy amazing views during takeoff and landing.
You can watch clouds, mountains, oceans, and city lights from above.
It's also easier to rest because you can lean against the side of the airplane.
But there is one disadvantage.
If you need to get up, you may have to ask other passengers to move.
Now let's talk about the aisle seat.
The aisle seat is next to the walkway inside the airplane.
It's perfect for people who like extra freedom to move around.
You can easily stand up, stretch your legs, or visit the restroom.
That's why I prefer the aisle seat.
And I prefer the window seat.
What about the middle seat?
Let's just say it's usually nobody's first choice.
Once you find your seat, place your carry-on bag in the overhead compartment.
Fasten your seatbelt and get comfortable.
Your adventure is about to begin.
A few hours later, the captain makes an announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing shortly.
That's always exciting.
After landing, many travelers think the journey is over.
Not quite.
If you're entering another country, you'll usually go through immigration.
Immigration officers may ask simple questions.
One common question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
If you're traveling for fun, you can say, I'm here for tourism, or I'm on vacation.
If you're traveling for work, you can say, I'm here for business.
They may also ask, how long will you be staying?
Just answer honestly and confidently.
Short, clear answers are usually best.
After immigration, it's time to collect your luggage.
This area is called baggage claim.
Your suitcase will arrive on a moving belt called a carousel.
Sometimes you wait 5 minutes.
And sometimes it feels like 50 minutes.
Especially when every suitcase looks exactly the same.
That's why luggage tags are so useful.
Once you find your suitcase, you're almost finished.
The final step is customs.
Most travelers simply walk through after collecting their bags.
And then you're officially outside the airport.
Congratulations! You survived the entire airport journey.
See? It's not as scary as many people think.
When you understand the process and vocabulary, traveling becomes much easier.
And every trip is a wonderful opportunity to practice your English.
Before we go, we have a question for our listeners.
Have you ever traveled by plane before? Or are you still looking forward to your first big flight?
Tell us in the comments. We love hearing about your travel experiences.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend who loves traveling.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Safe travels.
Keep learning and keep speaking English.
We'll see you in the next episode of Fluent Talk Academy.
Goodbye, everyone.